Read this, guys. Life is good. You got that? There you go, guys. We just got here. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but that's the start. This is just beautiful. Now I can feel that I am in paradise. I found the one. We're gonna have a sausage, and these ones are quite good, guys. Very, very good. Just amazing, guys, amazing. Weather is beautiful, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys in my next trip. See ya.